Next type of question. Find the total surface area of open pipe of length 50 centimeter with the external diameter 20 centimeter and internal diameter 6 centimeter. Okay, so there is one cylindrical pipe which is open at both the ends. Okay, the internal diameter is 6, so I'll take this as if diameter is 6, then what is the radius? To diameter I'll take it as 6, then what will be the radius? R is equal to 3 centimeter. Then the external diameter, capital D is equal to 20 centimeter and capital R will be 10 centimeter. Okay, so this is an hollow cylinder. You must have to find the total surface area of this open pipe. Okay, you must have to find the total surface area. Now how to find the total surface area? Now total surface area is not 2 pi r h here. Why? Because it is hollow here. This part is not there. Correct or no? This part is not there. So we must have to find the total surface area of this cylinder. Now the total surface area of open pipe is equal to outer lateral surface area plus inner lateral surface area plus 2 into area of circle. Correct or no? How it is, I'll tell you. See, this is an hollow pipe, so we must have to find the total surface area. For example, consider this is a hollow pipe. This is a hollow pipe, correct? So we must have to find the total surface area of this hollow pipe. Then total surface area will be this curved surface area, outer curved surface area, and inner curved surface area. Then this part is also there, no? This area also we have to find, correct? Here and here, and this area is nothing but the area of this circle and this circle. Okay, but this only this part we have to find, this part and this part. How it is, you see, I'll write formula. Outer lateral surface area will be 2 pi r h plus inner lateral surface area will be 2 pi r h plus 2 times area of inner circle, outer circle minus inner circle it should be. Yes or no? Only this part we want, this part. So this is the outer circle, like this it is. Outer circle, inner circle. Only this portion we require 2 times. Why 2 times? Because 2 surfaces, 2 faces are there. So outer circle area minus inner circle area will give you this, correct? So it is 2 into pi r square minus pi r square, correct? Now everywhere 2 pi is common, so I'll take 2 pi common. Here RH remains, plus here RH remains, plus this 2 is taken out and this pi is taken out. So inside the bracket, or r square minus r square remains inside. So this is 2 into 22 by 7 into capital R is 10, and height of the pipe is not written here. So H is equal to 50 plus small letter r is 3 into 50 plus capital R square is 10 square minus 3 square. Okay, so that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 500 plus 150 plus 100 minus 9. So that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 500 plus 150, 650, 750, 750 minus 9 is 741. 741, correct? So therefore this is equal to 2 as it is. I'll multiply 22. 22 into 1 is 22. 22 4s are 88 plus 2, 90. 22 7s are 154. 154 plus 9, 163 divided by 7. That is equal to 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 divided by 7.